Mainsim is an innovative CMMS platform that digitizes and streamlines operations and maintenance processes. It gives maintenance managers and facility managers unprecedented control over their facilities, plants, and equipment, improving efficiency, safety, and operational continuity. A CMMS like Mainsim isn't just about maintenance. It has the potential to engage the entire organization at every level, from field technicians to production, safety, quality, and warehouse managers, all the way to administrative functions and, of course, external vendors. With Mainsim, everyone can collaborate on a single shared platform. Let's focus for a moment on the key roles. For maintenance managers and facility managers, Mainsim means having everything under control. Real-time tracking of activities, service times, deadlines, costs, and maintenance KPIs. Mainsim reduces administrative workload, automates processes, and delivers clear data to support strategic decision-making. Through the mobile application, technicians and vendors have immediate access to their assigned tasks. Instructions, manuals, operating procedures, and all materials needed to complete the work are available with a simple QR code scan, giving them instant access to the information they need. Push notifications and customizable workflows enable real-time communication throughout. For those responsible for safety and quality, Mainsim consolidates processes and ensures full compliance with procedures at all times. Risk management, checklists, and PPE tracking, work permits, access management, documentation, and deadline monitoring, everything is centralized within the platform. Quality managers can also have their own dedicated dashboards, bringing together all non-conformities in one place, with tailored reports that support analysis and speed up audits. Thanks to its flexibility and core features, Mainsim becomes an essential tool, one that delivers concrete answers to the problems and inefficiencies typically found in maintenance departments. Let's look at some of the immediate benefits. Mainsim allows you to organize your resources, providing 360-degree visibility over all plants and equipment. All information is centralized within the platform and accessible from anywhere, improving communication within the team, across teams, and with external vendors. Mainsim enables you to automate preventive maintenance, monitor deadlines, and plan activities more efficiently, distributing workloads and reducing unplanned downtime. Shared information, automation, and real-time communication dramatically cut response times, boosting the operational efficiency of both internal teams and vendors. Standard operating procedures, checklists, and step-by-step instructions guide field technicians through their work, reinforcing consistent processes and improving personnel safety. With continuously updated data, managers have all the information they need to make informed strategic decisions, from service time and SLA analysis to fault diagnostics, cost tracking, and maintenance KPIs. All of this makes Mainsim an extraordinarily powerful tool for modernizing and digitalizing processes, with the goal of protecting long-term investments, improving productivity and safety, and rationalizing costs. Thanks to its flexibility and customization capabilities, Mainsim can adapt to any environment, becoming an indispensable tool wherever there are physical assets to manage, including buildings and facilities, production plants and lines, equipment, and corporate fleets. That's why leading companies across the most diverse industries choose Mainsim every day, from facility management to manufacturing and heavy industry. Of course, every sector has its own characteristics and needs. In facility management, for example, Mainsim enables the management of both hard services, such as maintenance, and soft services, such as cleaning, badge management, or even room and equipment booking. In manufacturing, the CMMS can be integrated with existing production systems, such as MES software, warehouse management systems, and IoT platforms. Other capabilities are more cross-cutting. Vendor management and work permit handling are just two examples, as is the integration between the CMMS and the company's ERP system. In every context, Mainsim becomes the go-to hub for coordinating processes, resources, and data in a simple, integrated way.